The ingredients going to be water, and then there is a hard flour. Continue. Here I have, of course, salt and sugar. Also here we can see I got 2 eggs, and of course last but not least is butter. First step is boil water and then add butter, sugar and salt until all of it dissolve like this, as you guys can see on the screen. After that we can add the hard flour. Mix it like this continuously until it make a dough like this. Make sure it all mix well and then put it in a bowl. For the pastry cream, here we have custard powder, 2 whole of egg yolk, and then we can see here sugar. Don't forget the milk, and then the last is corn flour or maizena. Next step is don't forget to mix the egg yolk with custard powder. Mix it very well and then add the maizena or the corn flour like this, as you can see on the video. The next step is we are going to boil the milk in a saucepan, but here I use my electric pan, and then add half amount of the sugar that we have before. Stir it frequently until the sugar dissolves and the milk get a little bit warmer than before. After the milk got warm, we pour a little bit of the milk to the pastry cream that we mixed before, like on this video, and then we mix the pastry cream until it dissolves like this, as you can see on the video. The next step is we're going to mix it all to the saucepan. So we're going to pour this pastry cream that we already mixed with the warm milk, pour it all into the warm milk on the pan like this. We need to make sure that we have to mix it very well, and then we need to mix it frequently like this, as you guys can see on the video. Keep stirring. Once it gets a little bit thicker like this, we can use mixer to mix it like this. I use a machine mixer. After you put the dough in the piping bag, now put it in a tray like this, just like what I did right now, before we bake it in the oven. And now we bake it in the oven until the color is a little bit brownish, look like golden brown as well. And now let's make the diplomat cream. Here I'm going to make a whipping cream first, because before we already made the pastry cream. We're going to mix it later on. Now I mix the whipping cream like this with cold water. Keep mixing until it gets stiff. Here, as you can see, the texture get a little bit more thicker than before, which means our whipping cream is almost ready. As you guys can see in this video, I already mixed the whipping cream to the pastry cream that I made before to make a diplomat cream. And here you can see I mixed it very well, and then I put it inside the piping bag before I stuff it inside the sauce later on. Don't forget to make a hole into your sauce so you can add this diplomat cream inside your sauce. Please make sure that you put the diplomat cream inside the sauce and make it clear that it doesn't spill outside to the sauce. And make sure you fill all of it correctly inside the sauce cake.